Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and enjoying your painting. In this video tutorial, I'm painting the robin. On my canvas, I've drawn 3 birds and I've already painted the sparrow. My video for the sparrow tutorial is on my channel. Okay, so let's get started painting the robin. The colours I'm using are grey, black, burnt umber, raw sienna, unbleached titanium, cadmium medium red, cadmium yellow and titanium white. The brushes I'm using: a small round brush, a small filbert brush and a fine liner brush. After I've sketched in the bird, as always, I start to paint in the base colours. I mix a medium shade of burnt umber for the wings and the tail, and I mix light grey and dark grey for the body and the head. With a light mix of raw sienna and a tiny touch of cadmium yellow, I paint in the base colour on the robin's red chest area. I keep my brush strokes in the direction of the feathers. During my painting process, I will try to zoom in to help you see my brush strokes, so I'm hoping that my hand doesn't get in the way. After I've painted in all the base colours, I start to paint in the feathers, and I begin to add more details to enhance the look of the feathers. I start adding more light grey feathered details to the head and along the side of the robin. I mix cadmium red with a tiny touch of yellow, and using a small round brush, I paint in the short red feathers on the robin's chest area. Using burnt umber, I add darker edges and lines to the tail feathers and also to the edges of the wing feathers. I add a white highlight to the eye and shadow area to the base of the tail feathers. I also add small lines to the legs and the feet. I've gone over the robin's head and added highlight details to the eye with white. I've also painted a very fine eyelid in pink with a fine liner brush. I go over the feathers, adding more highlights where needed. I've added more details to the beak and nostril with dark grey paint, also adding highlight areas with light grey to add depth. I've also painted a small branch using burnt umber and light grey. Okay, I've finished the robin painting now. I do hope you've enjoyed my video. During my tutorials, I try to include each stage of my painting process, and I hope you find this helpful with your paintings. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with my next video. Take care. Bye for now.